everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to create a new string made up of first and last two characters. Means if we enter a string, so the program will make a new string which is made up of the first and the last two characters. So let's start this with the program. So in the first line, this line defines a function named create new string that takes one parameter input string. The purpose of the function is to process the provided string and return a new string made up of first and last two characters. Functions in Python allow us to encapsulate reusable logic, making the code modular and easier to maintain. So in the next line here, this line checks whether the length of the input string is less than 2 using length function. If the condition is true, the function returns an empty string, like here. This prevents accessing characters in string that are too short, ensuring the program doesn't raise an error while slicing. Now, in the next line here, this line generates the new string by slicing the input string. The first two characters are extracted using input string here, and the last two characters are extracted using input string here. These two substrings are concatenated using the plus operator here to form the new string, which is the return by the function. Now in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a string. This uses input function and the user's input is stored in the variable user input. This allows the program to dynamically process different input provided during the execution. Now in the next line, this line calls the create new string function that passes the user input variable as its argument, and the returned value, which is the new string, is stored in the variable result. And this enables the program to use the result for further operation, such as displaying it to the user. Now in the last line here, this line prints the result to the console in a user-friendly format. It uses the print function to display the message and new string followed by the value of the result variable. This is how the program communicates its output to the user. So let's check this program. As I'm entering a string as, so new string formed by the given string by adding the first and the last two character is given. So thanks for watching this video.